I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you ever need to lock a card with M&T Bank, here is how to do it in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Log into your M&T Bank account. Open the M&T Bank mobile app or website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to the Card Services section. Once logged in, look for the Card Services option in the main menu. This is where you can manage your cards. Step 3. Select the card you want to lock. In the Card Services section, find the specific card you wish to lock. Click on it to view more options. Step 4. Choose the Lock Card option. After selecting your card, look for the Lock Card option and click on it. This will immediately lock your card to prevent unauthorized transactions. Step 5. Confirm the action. You may be prompted to confirm that you want to lock the card. Make sure to confirm this action to finalize the lock. Remember, if you accidentally lock your card, you can easily unlock it by following the same steps. Happy banking!